Ito na lang yan.
Ramon.
We come and sing to you.
Burn out na.
With hearts so full of gladness, and I burn these hopes for you. On the day that you were born, all the flowers burst in bloom. The world was filled with colors, and the strings of a welcome song. We wish you a happy birthday today and the years to come. God bless you now and forever. May your dreams come true, dear ones. We lift our voices ring as we sing this birthday song, and make you feel the warmth of our love as we sing along. How I wish the world were mine, so I could give it to you. I wish I could put the stars and a garland wave for you. Wish you a happy birthday. May you walk in the night with God. May all your prayers be heard by our Lord God from above. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Ikaw ito ha. Adi. Adi, birthday rin.
Sa kung ba kita, dito na kita.
Birthday natin.
Sige. We're here to greet you on your Natal day. We are here to sing you a birthday around the day. It is a happy birthday. We are happy too. Now we sing with all our hearts because we love you so. It is your birthday, round the lay, oh lay, happy holiday. It is a happy birthday, round the lay, oh lay. It is a happy holiday. It is birthday, round the lane, oh lane. It's your birthday, round the lane, oh lane. Happy holiday, it is a happy birthday, round the lane, oh lane. It is a happy holiday. It is a happy birthday, round the lane, oh lane. Round the lane, oh lane.
Hoy, dili naman lakam mo, dili naman.
May nakakatanda. Dili.
Kaya masakit kami.
Dinala di ito.
Kaman-ano, kinikot na ang corona.
Hindi. Ay, nga buka. Dili pa siya. Asa malinay?
Tanap ko naman. Ano ito? Drink.
Dili ka mo nili.
Ano man?
Dili ka mo. Tayo yan ang adlaw. Ang hiyap na mo, ikaw magmalipayo. Tahin na lawin na kinabuhi, yan maupay nga kabuwason. Yan ang adlaw, kaadlawan. Ang hiyap na mo, ikaw magmalipayo. Tahin na lawin na kinabuhi, yan maupay nga kabuwason. Bisan kung tapusan ang kahimtang, amon lay gahatag, aning tanong na bukas. Awan kasing punuhin kalipay, kaya ang pinulod nga gugma, waray katapusan. Hinalawin nga kinabuhi, pagwalubay nga kabuwasan. Tahin na lawin nga kinabuhi, ngayon maupay kung kabuwasan. Bisan kung kapusan ang mahimtang, amon laing kahatag, di ay lugar. Kasing punuhin kalipay, yan tinulod na gugma, waray katapusan. Yay! Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Binati ka! Nagkamuhat.
Kaya ka naman ang haranot sa'yo.
Ay naman.
Oh, may da pa? Happy birthday, Nay!
Uli na nga house in batch 2. Takloban ko ito.
Kaya pamagbati ko, ano ba yung
Birthday night.
Dali, 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 dali. Happy birthday, Nay.
Wala
Bayad pa nga. Nagsasarayo ka mo, nagpapastor siya.
Pagkapi, ate. Hoy, hindi ka maasi kaso kay Manuel ka na. Lahat ka po. Termos, dali.
Oh, may 20 ah. Pakita.